Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, where today I am here to show you how you can download Zebpay in your Android smartphone. Zebpay is a cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider headquartered in Singapore. It is a simple and secure way to invest and trade in Bitcoin. So to download Zebpay, click on Play Store on your mobile app and you can search up Zebpay in the search bar. After the result shows up, click on Zebpay. And as you can see, there is an install button. Tap on install button to install Zebpay to your phone. Give it some time and depending on your Wi-Fi connection, Zebpay will be downloaded in your phone. And as you can see, Zebpay has been downloaded in my smartphone. Now you can open your app and use Zebpay to your advantage in trading and investing in Bitcoin. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification for our latest video and drop a comment for review and more content like this. I will see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.